Hey guys, so in this video we're going to be adding and subtracting polynomials. So let's start off by learning how to add polynomials. So let's say we had an equation or an expression such as 2m squared plus 8m. So this whole thing plus 5m squared minus 8m. So we're pretty much adding these two polynomials or binomials if you want to be more specific. So how do we add these two? So what we do is we add terms that have, so when you look at a variable, looking at the variables is very important when you're adding and subtracting. So you add the numbers of the variables that are similar or the exact same. So m raised to the power 2. So m raised to the power of 2. So this one and this one, you group them together. And m raised to the power of 1, m raised to the power of 1. So you group this with this. So then you just add them out. So first of all, you just want to distribute this positive, which is the exact same thing. So it becomes 2m, we can remove this parentheses actually, 2m squared. Let's color code this actually. So 2m squared plus, so it just becomes plus 5m squared plus 8m minus 8m. So you only operate on the ones that have the exact same. So to operate any number, you have to have, for a polynomial, you need to make sure you're operating on the terms or the terms that have the exact same variable. And that variable has to be raised to the exact same power. So it has to be m, it has to be raised to the power 2. So if it was something like b, then you cannot perform this. So let's go back. Right. So 2 plus 5 is 7. So it would be, and then you don't add the m, so it just becomes m squared. You just leave the exponent as it is. And then for positive 8, m minus 8m, it would just be 0. So m, so plus or minus 0 m, which is basically 0 times any number is 0. So your final answer would be 7m squared. Let's look at another example. So we have, 5 minus 4x to the 4th power minus 5x to the 4th plus 6x. Great. So starting off, let's distribute the negative. So it would be 5 minus 4x to the power 4 plus, that's always easier, so negative 5x to the 4th power minus 6x. So we can basically get rid of these parentheses. Okay. So it would be something like 5 minus 4x minus 5x to the 4th minus 6x. So you basically circle the like terms. So negative 4x, okay, negative 4x and negative 5x to the 4th. They both have both of their variables of x are raised to the power of 4. Then we have negative 6x, and then we have 5. Great. So we can operate this. So negative 4 minus 5 is negative 9x to the 4th. And then negative 6, so minus 6 plus 5. So when you're writing your answer, you want to make sure your final answer is in this like exponent goes, so from left to right, the exponent is decreasing. So it would be negative 9x to the power 4 minus 6x plus 5. So that is your final answer. All right, going on to our third example, which is 5n squared plus 3n to the fourth minus n squared plus 7n to the fourth power. So let's group all our like terms. So positive 7, 3, this one right here, and then let's use this color. Okay. This and that. Great. So 7 plus 3 is 10. So 10n to the fourth. And then 5 minus 1 is 4. So plus 4n squared. There we go. So now this would be, the answer would be 10n4 plus 4n squared. That is your final answer. Okay, let's look at one more and then move on to subtraction. So 5x minus 5x to the fourth minus 4x minus 2x4. Speaking of subtraction, this is somewhat a subtraction problem. So basically we just distribute the negative and then add it up. So, okay, let's do this. So circle the like terms. So, so we start off with the greatest one. So, negative 2, then negative 5 over here. So we're looking at the exponents of the variables for the like terms. And then 5x, and then let's see. Okay, negative 4x. Great. Oh, wait, never mind. Yep. You can circle this too. So 5x and negative 4x are like terms. So this would be negative 5 minus 2 is negative 7, x to the fourth. And then 5 minus 4 is x, so plus x. So this is our final answer. So, great. Let's do a couple more problems. So let's say we had a problem like a cubed plus 8 plus a plus 1 plus 4a. All right, so circle the like terms. All right, so this, and this, and then we'll use a different color. Okay, this one and this one. All right, so a3, that's the highest, raised to the third power is the highest power in this trinomial, plus raised to 1 power, so 1 plus 4 is 5, so plus 5a, and then 8 plus 1 is 9. So this is our final answer. Let's do problem like our last problem. So k raised to the fourth power minus 5k cubed minus 3k squared plus 6k4 plus 4k. So this is a problem with both subtraction and addition. So you can have problems like such. So we have, oh, actually like that. So let's try it. Okay, so 4 over here, another 4 over here, and then we have 3 over here, then we have 2, so power of 2. Great. So now let's do this. So 1 plus 6 is 7, k to the fourth, and then we do minus 5k, so minus 5k to the third power, and then negative 3 plus 4 is 1, so that would be plus k squared. So your final answer would be this. So just put it in, final form. So there we go. That is our answer.